Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to stop a power-hungry app on Android to save battery life and improve performance. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Now tap on the search bar and search for Digital Wellbeing. Select Digital Wellbeing from the search results. If you don't use Digital Wellbeing to track your screen time, app usage, or parental controls, you can limit its background activity to help save battery. First, tap on the Battery option. Then change the battery setting to Restricted. This limits the app's background activity and helps reduce battery usage. You can also tap Force Stop to stop the app from running until it's opened again. Now go back and tap on Permissions. If the app has permissions that you don't use, you can disable them. Next, scroll down and tap on Change System Settings. If the option is enabled, turn it off. After that, go to the Storage section. Tap Clear Cache. If you don't use the app at all, you can also tap Clear Data. Once you've completed these steps, the app will use fewer system resources and may help improve your phone's battery life and performance. If you regularly use Digital Wellbeing or its parental control features, it's best to leave these settings as they are. And that's it. If you like the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.